jelly. 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 K is for keyboard. 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 K. Keyboard. L is for ladybug. 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 L. Ladybug. M is for monkey. 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 M. Monkey. N is for needle. 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 N. Needle. O is for orange. 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 O. Orange. P is for pony. 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 P. Pony. Q is for queen. 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 Q. R is the rainbow. 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 R. Rainbow. S is for spider. 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 S. Spider. T is for tiger. 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 T. Tiger. U is for umbrella. 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 U. Umbrella. V is for violin. 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 V. Violin. W is for whale. 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 W. Whale. X is for xylophone. 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 X. Xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. 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 Y. Yo-yo. Z is for zebra. 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 Z. Zebra. P is for apple, red and juicy. Yeah, B is for ball, bounce, 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 bounce. I and C is for car, driving on the road. H E D is for duck, swimming in the pond. A and E is for egg, healthy and yummy. Cinch and F is for flower, beautiful and colorful. E G is for gift, a lovely surprise. A G, H and H is for hat, wear it on your head. Wavelength is for ice cream, sweet and cold. A and J is for juice, fresh and tasty. A and K is for kite, flying in the sky. A and L is for lamp, shining bright. Highway M is for moon, glowing at night. A and L is for nest, a bird's home. Braille O is for orange, juicy and sweet. A and P is for parrot, colorful and smart.
is for apple, apple. is for baby, baby. C is for coconut, coconut. D is for donut, donut. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fairy, fairy. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for head, head. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for joker, joker. K is for keyboard, keyboard. L is for ladybug, ladybug. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for needle, needle. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for parrot, parrot. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow. S for spider, spider. T is for tiger, the tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for watch, watch. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yeah. Z is for zebra, zebra.
Hello, kids. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Today, we will learn the names of countries from around the world. Pakistan, a beautiful country in South Asia. China, one of the largest countries in the world. Afghanistan, a country with beautiful mountains. India, a country famous for its rich culture. Nepal, home to Mount Everest. Bangladesh, a country with many rivers. Sri Lanka, a beautiful island nation. Bhutan, known as the land of happiness. Maldives, famous for its stunning beaches. Myanmar, a country with ancient temples. Saudi Arabia, home to the holy cities of Islam. United Arab Emirates, famous for modern cities. Qatar, a small country with a strong economy. Kuwait, located on the Arabian Gulf. Oman, known for its deserts and mountains. Bahrain, a beautiful island country. Yemen, one of the oldest civilizations in the region. Iran, a country with a long history. Iraq, home to ancient civilizations. Turkey, a country connecting Asia and Europe. Russia, the largest country in the world. Japan, famous for technology and traditions. South Korea, known for innovation and culture. North Korea, located in East Asia. Thailand, famous for its beautiful temples. Vietnam, a country with amazing landscapes. Malaysia, known for its diverse culture. Singapore, a modern city country. Indonesia, the world's largest island nation. Philippines, made up of thousands of islands. Australia, home to unique animals. New Zealand, famous for its natural beauty. United Kingdom, known for its history and landmarks. France, famous for art and fashion. Germany, known for engineering and innovation. Italy, home of pizza and ancient history.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nose, nose. O is for octopus, octopus. B is for big, big. Q is for question, question. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for ten, ten. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo. A is for apple, A. Crunchy and red water snack. B is for ball, B. Bounce it high and give a clap. C is for cat, K. Curled up napping on the mat. D is for dog, D. Digging holes and wagging back. E is for elephant, A. Big gray hairs and loves to eat. E is for fish, swimming fast and super sleek. G is for go, G. Chews on grass and leaps so free. H is for health, H. Put it on for summer sleep. Y is for igloo, I. Made of ice, it's really neat. J is for jelly, J. Wiggly jiggly, such a treat. K is for kite, K. Fly it high up in the sky. L is for lion, I. Roaring paddle, my oh my. M is for monkey, swings on trees and munches plums. N is for nose, smelling flowers, here it comes. O is for octopus, 8 arms dancing in the sea. P is for pizza, cheesy, saucy, yum for me. Q is for queen, wears a crown so royally. R is for robot, whoop up, whoop, come dance with sway. S is for sun, shining down so warm and bright. T is for tiger, stripes and paws and teeth so white. U is for umbrella, keeps us dry when skies are gray. V is for violin, play a song, let's dance and sway. W is for whale, singing songs beneath the sea. X is for X-ray,